In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Stripe using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have set up a basic Node.js Express project that can handle payment intents with Stripe. To begin the process, open PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, create a new directory for your project by typing memdir stripe ap. This command generates a new folder named stripe ap. Next, navigate into this newly created directory by entering cd stripe ap. You are now in the project folder where you will initialize your Node.js project. Now, you will initialize a new Node.js project by executing the command npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings, allowing you to manage project dependencies easily. Following this, you need to install several essential packages. Enter npm install express.10stripe. The Express package helps you build the server, and manages environment variables, and Strip is the SDK that allows you to interact with the Stripe API. Next, you'll create a new file to store your environment variables. Execute the command echo store IP underscore secret underscore secret underscore secret underscore secret underscore key. Ensure you replace your underscore Stripe underscore secret underscore key with your actual Stripe secret key, which can be found in your Stripe dashboard. This step is crucial as it keeps your keys secure and out of your main code base. After establishing your environment variables, it's time to use Claude Code for generating the Stripe integration. In PowerShell, create a minimal Node.js Express project integrating Stripe. Create src/server.js with expressapp.tom config and a post/create payment intent endpoint using Stripe SDK. Listen on port 3000. This command instructs Claude to generate the necessary code for your project, including the Express application and the required endpoints. Claude will produce a file named, quote, src/server.js, which includes an Express app with JSON middleware setup. It will also create the /create payment intent endpoint using the Stripe SDK while ensuring proper usage of the end file for your secret key. To run your server, simply execute node src/server.j. Your server will now be active and listening on port 3000. Lastly, you will test the Stripe endpoint to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In PowerShell, use the command curl-x post http://localhost create payment intent-h content type application/json-dp amount 5,000 currency. This command sends a post request to your server with a sample payment amount and currency. You should receive a JSON response that includes a client underscore secret confirming that your integration is working as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.